I bet I could sell you this shirt. No, but honestly, let's get into it. Happy New Year's, JiasWorld. We're in 2018, and I'm back with another epic unboxing. This time, what does it look like? Ooh, what does it look like? Yeah. What does it look like? There it is. There it is. We're gonna be unboxing a Apple iPad. Um, let's read the specs. 32 gigabytes, iPad Wi-Fi, includes iPad, Lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. Um, let's get it open. Here it goes. That is the white. Well, it's white outside, right? Then you have the little slip here to lift it up. Again, the packaging is always so nice. And it is a gold iPad. It's really nice and slick. It's gold on the back. This is 9.7 inches. This is the latest iPad available. It is, I kept seeing it on sale for $297. But at Best Buy, it is actually $329. This also came with the 2-year Apple Care, which I recommend getting Apple Care if you have Apple products, because any accidents, any spills, any damages, you can swap in, swap out, swap in, swipe out, just like that. So it's just, this is a to-go-to. Really nice. I'm not going to take the actual wrapping off until I get the carrying case for this, because anyone who knows Apple stuff, it's easy to get it smudged. So let's look at the rest of the contents of this unboxing. Again, packaging is always so neat and nice. Boom. Here goes your manual. Here goes your lightning cable. Here goes your charging block. And the cool thing with this is, this also will charge your iPhone. So I have like 3 or 4 of these already. So there you go. That has been my unboxing of the iPad. Really thankful to be able to do this unboxing, and grateful to have received this awesome gift to unbox. And I haven't had a tablet. Well, I had a tablet. I had the Samsung Tablet 3. Got it in 2013. It is now 2018. So it's over 4 years old. It'll be 5 years officially December of 2018. But my uncle like had the charger for that and never brought it back, and it's been missing for over a year. And tablets are like computers. Like after a while, they get old and slow, and like seriously, any like software after 2-3 years is already faded out, and you need to make upgrades. So getting this gift was pretty dope. So this will definitely be put into great use, and it matches, you know, with my iPhone, iPad, MacBook Pro, you know, iPod, etc. So just a great addition. I'll be doing more unboxings as the year plays out. I will be doing giveaways as well. So this year, you definitely want to subscribe for more content, and also subscribe so you can possibly be a winner of a giveaway. So this year is definitely going to be great, and I hope you have a great 2018, and may all of your goals, resolutions, dreams come to fruition this year. And that has been my Apple iPad unboxing. Deuces.